Talking about weight loss and getting control of your cravings and your dietary solutions, I just want to go over with you a quick thought on the way that you should look at your supplements. So when you're taking a pill is to treat a symptom, and a food is to give you energy and support your function of your body in the process of assimilation. So you're trying to help yourself, assimilate it and absorb it. And so it's really important that when you're taking your supplements, if you have any backed up kind of burping, not feeling good, that you really work on your gut cleansing and really remember that, food in, food out, this process of getting well takes a little bit of effort. And there's a digestzen that you can take that is a capsule or a roll-on or an oil that you can use to just, put it on your hand, to get it on your stomach, on your gut, or in a capsule and down. And that will really help you, feel better if you're experiencing distress, as well as just taking a little lemon in your water. We've talked about that several times. Just keep that going. You can do that, for forever. Keep it in your gut. And then making sure that you get your vitamins sandwiched in a meal with your food, because you're trying to absorb it. Like sometimes they say take a medication, not when you eat. So it's different. I just wanted you to have that information with you so that you can be more successful in applying your supplements and make sure that they really work for you the way that they should. These supplements are meant to be taken alone or in a protein drink to increase your fiber and your energy. You can space them throughout the day. Maybe you can have a breakfast, and then for lunch you can shake up a little protein drink, and then for a snack maybe get a salad or some veggies, and then maybe a handful of nuts, and that would carry you through the day. And then you can have a larger meal at home, hopefully by 6 or 7 at night, and then just be done for the day. So if you don't get your nutrients in the daytime, then you're going to be really craving a lot at night. And that's not a time that you want to eat a really big meal. You want to keep your meals spaced and smaller, and so that you're absorbing the food that you eat and getting lots of good fiber to keep that probiotic gut and that brain fed. So I hope this helps you with just understanding how to get your nutrients, spaced with your meals, and how to really be able to absorb them, not like a pill, but like a supplement, a food that you're eating. And if you do get a little bit tired throughout the day and you feel like you need your vitamins right around 1 or 2 in the afternoon, that's a really great time to take them. And then you have some support for the second half of the day when a lot of people start kind of falling apart. So keep yourself focused that way, and stay away from caffeine and stimulants and things that will really sabotage your energy and your focus and your good nutrition. So best to you, and I hope this helps.